Hi, I'm Gary and I'm in the laundromat. This is a dryer. When we put our clothes in there, we want them to be nice and dry when they come out, but often we forget to clean the lint screen. What we need to do is take all the lint out of there and put it in a bin, and then replace that back in there, close it and proceed as normal. That's how we clean the lint screen.